Okay, we're going to compose a very short 4-bar melody using that structure of one simple motif and a contrasting motif, just like Mr. Komorowski showed you in Hot Cross Buns. Okay, so we open up our Noteflight account and we create. We have a new score, and we're just going to go treble clef. Don't forget, by the way, to open your account not in noteflight.com, but Our School Music Compositions, the website that you've been given. Okay, so we go treble clef, and let's just call it My Simple Melody. Let's give it a capital M. Okay. Now, if we look at the example of Hot Cross Buns, and by the way, you notice how I put the cursor there, it was right at the beginning in 4/4 time, and I placed that E there using my cursor, and then I just typed on my computer keyboard D, then the letter C, and it gives me this, okay? And then what Hot Cross Buns does, it copies that again. And then here, they're quick notes, so let's change that to an 8th note or quaver. Now, a lot of people often ask the question, how do I get those notes to join together? If that's already a quaver, and we put another quaver there, it does it automatically. Okay, Hot Cross Buns. So there's motif A, and it repeats. And then in this bar, we've got that bit that goes 1 a penny, 2 a penny. Then we go back to the same as we had in the first bar. So let's get rid of all of that. And the notes we are using are just C, D, F, and G. Let's make a simple rule that we have to start our little tune here on C. Okay, so I'm going to go up a step. So the first question the composer asks is, do I want to go up a step or up a leap? Let's say I go up to a G. That's the highest note we're allowed to use, just using 5 notes. And say I want to change that to a quaver and do another quaver. I just put that in there, joins it up automatically. Okay, there's my little tune there. Let's call it tune A. Okay, so that's neat. You could do all sorts of things. That's see how it goes G, E, then I go back up a note, F, D. That's a nice little device that we use in composition. Okay, so you can use some of these ideas. I go back to edit, press the edit button again. And what I'm going to do as we've been instructed, I highlight that whole bar. I'll just show you how I do that. I just click in that space there and I go Command C. Okay, and we're going to then put the cursor there and we copy that there. So we've only got to write another different little bar here, and I'm going to make that on a D. I like that sound. Let's just have a listen to that. Okay, keep it simple. I'm going to edit, take that bar, copy that, and then I put my cursor there, and I've done the task because I've got this little tune I've made up. Let's call it tune A. Copied that, wrote a slightly different contrasting tune. It doesn't have to have the same rhythm. And then I've copied that first tune. There it is. Okay, A, different bit will be A. Okay, let's listen. And there's one little rule I didn't follow. I didn't end it on a C. So it sounds a bit unfinished, but yeah, that's okay. It starts on a C. All right, don't forget to save, and then you can export it as a full score PDF, and it gives you that written music. You don't need to do a screenshot, okay? If you export that as a full score PDF, then anyone can look at that on their computer or iPad or device, okay, like this. Okay, click save. That's gone into my downloads folder, okay?